In this video, you'll learn how to import a CSV file into Mailchimp. By following these steps, you will successfully upload your contact list for email marketing campaigns. Start by navigating to the Mailchimp homepage, open your web browser and enter the Mailchimp URL. Once the page loads, you will see the Mailchimp logo and options to log in or create an account. If you already have an account, click the login button and enter your credentials to access your account. After logging in, look for the create button on the dashboard. This button is usually located in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on create and then select email from the drop-down menu. You will be redirected to a new screen that allows you to set up your email campaign. Once you are on the email setup page, locate and click the close option to return to the campaign overview. Next, find the to section, which is typically displayed prominently. Click on this section to specify the recipients for your email. A message will prompt you with the question, who are you sending this email to? Click on the to button to proceed. This action will open a new window where you can manage your contacts. Look for the Add Contacts option and click on it to begin the process of uploading your CSV file. Now select Upload a File from the list of options presented to you. After clicking this, you will be directed to a file upload interface. Click on the Continue button to move forward. You will now see a button labeled Select a File. Click on this button to open your File Explorer. Navigate to the location on your computer where your CSV file is stored. Select the appropriate file and then click Open. This action will return you to the Mailchimp interface. After selecting your CSV file, click on the Continue button to proceed. At this point, Mailchimp will process the file. Depending on the file size, this may take some time. Be patient as the system prepares your contacts for import. Once the processing is complete, you may need to organize your contacts option that appears, a message will recommend keeping all your contacts option that appears will recommend keeping all your contacts in one audience for easier management. After reviewing this information, click Continue to proceed with the import process. You may need to click Continue several times as Mailchimp guides you through the final steps. Be attentive to any prompts or messages that may appear during this process. When you reach the final step, click on the Finalize Import button. This action will confirm that you are ready to import your contacts. Finally, click on Complete Import to finalize the process. This step completes the upload of your CSV file. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.